Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Leo Tales, and today we have Guess What box for the month of February. It is a lifestyle subscription priced at $14.99 plus shipping, and for this month it is not a personalized box. Everybody will be receiving the same products. The theme this month is City Chic, and we have 9 to 10 products in the box. So this is how the courier packaging reached me. Shipping was quick and safe, and once I opened, I have the Guess What box that is very neatly bubble wrapped in multiple layers. And once I open, I have the beautiful box with a keychain that says I love you. So let's open up and see what we have in the Guess What box. Here we have Guess What box for the month of February, and as usual it is very beautifully packed. It has a butterfly on it, and here is the keychain. I already detached because it was so cute. It says I love you. It is a soft heart keychain, and every time Guess What comes up with a new type of keychain that is actually usable. Last time it was a pen and a mini book. Just think about it. So this is how the keychain is, and inside the box we have all this stuff, and here we have the info card. So City Chic is the theme for this month, and it is a February edition, and it says we have 9 products in the box. So as usual we have the Guess What sticker on it, and once I open, my box is loaded with stuff. So let's start one by one. First product that we have here is a sling, and it is very different from the typical slings that you receive in a subscription box. It is quite a huge sling. It's like a boho bag, and it has these tassels here. It gives that very boho vibes, and I really like the pattern also. Maybe you will get a different design. So at the back side there is an opening, which is very advantageous because you can just throw in your mobile or something. And here we have a button closure, which is very good, and inside that again there is a zipper closure. So I really like the bag so far, and this is a single compartment bag inside. So this is the material inside the bag as well, and I really like the bag because first of all it's very spacious. This is the first product in the bag or the box, and I really liked it. I really liked the design, very good quality and a very unique design for me. The second product that I have here is this. These are water balloons, and every time Guess What adds something fun in the box. They used to add holy colors and all that, I remember. So these are water balloons, balloon pen, balloon per meter. Okay, what is this? Okay, so they've written how to use it. Fill all the balloons at once, and wow, you don't have to tie up the balloon as well. So this is how the packaging looks like. I used to be not a balloon fan because I hate the part where I have to blow and on and on. But this looks like fun. I mean, water balloon definitely looks like fun because you don't have to blow on and on and on. And it's already tied also, so that way also you can save your time and effort. And wow, I'm very excited to try this one. I feel like a kid all of a sudden. So very thoughtful addition. It's not a very expensive product, but it adds a lot of charm to the box. That's what I like about Guess What every month. So this is the second product in the box. The third product that I have here is a fedora hat, and this is how the hat looks like, and I can already see that the products are getting out of screen. So this is how the hat looks like, and maybe you will get a random color. I think I have a brown one of the same design. I used to take it back when I was traveling. So that's a good one. A hat is a good addition, and especially when you're traveling, you will definitely want to have this. So when you don't want to carry an umbrella because umbrella is too old-fashioned, but still you can't beat the sun, then a hat can help. So the fedora hat is my third product. Fourth product in the box is a set of makeup brushes. I think I have a set of 12 makeup brushes here. And this is how the packaging is, and this is how each brush looks like. A grayish holder, and it has like a copper bronze kind of design, and this is how the brush looks like. Let's see if it is very soft. Yes, it is very soft, and it looks like good quality, something that you can definitely use. And if you are into makeup but you don't want to invest too much, you are experimenting, then you can definitely make use of such a kit. It has 12 brushes, which means it will cover the entire makeup stuff that you have to do on your face, your eyes, your lips, and contouring and foundation brush and everything. So I really like the packaging. Storing is also now easy. It comes in a very sturdy box, and also different sized brushes. A very perfect addition in a Valentine's box or in a lifestyle box. So I really like the packaging. I have a mini one with 5 to 6 brushes, but this looks very classy also. I really like the packaging. So this is my 4th product in the box. Next product I have here, well, basically I can say it's a combo. I have here, well, you know what this is. This is the nail paint holder basically. So whenever you are like applying nail paint and you don't have a proper table to rest it on, you know the difficulty. What you have to do is just wear it like a ring, and now you have to keep a nail paint on top of that, and guess what has also given that. So these are the next 2 products, a nail paint holder as well as a nail paint. So you can just keep the nail paint holder, you can keep the nail paint in the holder like this and paint your nails very comfortably by maintaining that horizontal angle so that the bottle won't spill and you don't need any flat surface to place the bottle. This is a very useful product. Despite having so many nail paints, I never got to buy one, so it's a good addition. So this is the next product, and yeah, it definitely comes with a nail paint. And we have here the nail paint from the brand Avon, and it is the Nailwear Pro nail paint. I think the shade choice is random because this time I did not get a mail for any choices, so the shade is random, and this is like a purple, metallic purple shade. I just cleaned my nails today and I just cut them as well, so it's heartbreaking to see a beautiful nail paint that I can't wear. So anyway, this is the next product. Now moving on, I have here, I think it's a pair of sunglasses. Oh, it's a pair of not sunglasses, it's a pair of plain glasses. So well, I always had a fast, so it also comes with this waterproof kind of not zipper, the packaging, so that is comfortable and you can store it easily. And this is how the glass looks like, and this is the frame, very classy thin frame. Then I have a makeup product, and it is a mascara from the brand Me On Charming Waterproof Mascara. Alright, so this is a new brand for me. I have not used this brand before. This is how the mascara looks like, and I really like the packaging. It's like very cute. It gives me Qutub Minar vibes and very nice packaging. And this is how the wand looks like, and it has a very pleasant, a bit of a cosmetic fragrance, but that is okay. And this is the wand, and I really like the packaging, and also it's a new brand for me to try. Very nice, elegant packaging, and well, looks promising also, so I can definitely try it and let you know. So in the back side of the packaging, they have talked about curl and length make dense instantly, and they have talked about, they have talked about the mascara, and it also comes with the expiry date and manufacturing date and everything, so that's good. Okay, so I think they have the full ingredient list mentioned as well, which is very, very good. You're getting 8 ml of the product, and I'm happy with the fact that there is a full ingredient list, expiry, manufacturing, everything. So pretty much the things that I want to know in a product, it's there. So the next product that I have here is a cuff bracelet, which also has some tassels. So this is how it looks like on my hand. The next product, that is the tassel cuff bracelet, and it fits perfectly. You can wear it like, I have rather a bit huge wrist, and it fits me perfectly. It's actually very stylish. I'm not a fan of cuff bracelets per se, but I like the addition of the tassel. I think it makes it look very special. So this is the last product in the box. And guess what, boxes are never complete without something to eat or drink, and this time I have a 0 calories and maximum taste Pepsi Black here. So that's perfect. I always look for the edible thing that they add every month. So this is like a complimentary product, and this is the last product in the Guess What box. And my Guess What box is empty right now. So in total I received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 products and a complimentary edible. And my favorites are the bag, the water balloon, and I think I liked everything. Basically, everything looks like things that I can actually use. There will be nothing that will just go into the cupboard and sit there for eternity. I think all of these products are usable. At least all of these products are usable by me. So I really like the product choice, and I also like the quality of the bag very much this time. Very good quality and very unique to see. A perfect Valentine's gifting. I know Valentine's month is over, but February can be considered as a month of love. So it's a good box. I feel that at 1500 you will not be disappointed. They have added much variety to the box, and also the heart keychain has to be added. It's a good cute mini thing. So I really liked Guess What box. Let me know what you guys think of the February edition. I would like to know what you think about this. So we will meet soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.